Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint completely offline. So, you can absolutely use PowerPoint offline. For example, I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi here. And after that, simply, even with Wi-Fi disabled, you can open the PowerPoint app normally. Once the PowerPoint opens up, you can simply open any existing file or make a new blank presentation. Everything works just fine. You can edit slides, add text, photos, animation, and even more. The only limitation is cloud feature. You won't be able to save files to OneDrive or sync changes online. Everything else works perfectly. To save your work offline, tap on File, tap on Save As, and then choose a local folder, not OneDrive. After that, simply type in your name and then save it as a type you prefer. Once done, tap on Save. This saves the file directly to your computer with no internet required. PowerPoint works fully online for editing, presentation, creating slides, saving locally. As long as you don't need cloud storage, you're good to go. Well, that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.